In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple videos in CapCut PC. If you want to bring several video clips into your project at the same time so you can start editing faster, this is one of the quickest and easiest ways to do it. Instead of importing files one by one, you can select everything you need in a single move and get those clips into your timeline in just a few clicks. To begin, look at the very top left corner of the CapCut interface and make sure you are on the Media tab. This is the section where your imported files will appear before you place them into your project. Once you're there, click the large box with the plus sign labeled Import. That will open your computer's File Explorer window, where you can browse for the footage you want to use. When the File Explorer opens, go to the folder that contains your video clips. At this point, you have two simple ways to select multiple files at once. The first method is to click and drag your mouse over the video files you want, which is great when the clips are grouped together in the same area. The second method is to hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click each video file one by one. This gives you a little more control if the files are separated, or if you only want specific clips from the folder. After all the videos you want are highlighted, click. Open at the bottom of the File Explorer window. CapCut will immediately import those clips into your Asset Library bin, so you'll see them appear inside the Media section of your project. Now that the clips are inside CapCut, the next step is to place them into your timeline. To do that, click and drag a selection box over the thumbnails in your bin to highlight all the imported videos. Once they're selected, click and drag the entire group straight down into your timeline track. CapCut will automatically place the clips back to back in order, which saves time and keeps everything neatly arranged so you can start trimming, cutting, and editing right away. And that's it. You've imported multiple video files and dropped them into your timeline in one smooth process. It's a fast workflow that makes organizing your project much easier, especially when you're working with lots of footage. Multi-file importing and timeline placement are now complete, and you're ready to edit.